What if at-home waxing didn't feel stressful or painful? What if it became a moment of calm? Today, we create a sensory sanctuary to change your experience. Welcome to MTH Health. Here, everyday routines transform into wellness practices. This video isn't about standards or perfection. It's about comfort and reclaiming your time. Many associate waxing with tension and discomfort. Your body reacts to this anticipation. Change your environment to change your nervous system. Scent relaxes your mind and body effectively. This isn't just grooming, it's a calming ritual. Aromatherapy connects scent to the brain's emotional center. Certain aromas promote wellness and relaxation. Here are 3 popular calming scents. Lavender offers balance and relaxation. Frankincense grounds you during skin rituals. Peppermint provides a refreshing, cooling effect. Always dilute oils with a carrier oil. Before waxing, preparation is essential. Start by diffusing your chosen scent. This relaxation time is crucial. Next, use a warm compress with diluted essential oil. This soothes and supports your skin. Adjust your space for maximum comfort. Soft lighting and gentle background sounds create a sanctuary. During waxing, focus on slow breathing with your aroma. This keeps your body grounded. After, apply a diluted oil blend to calm your skin. A simple carrier oil with 1 gentle essential oil works best. Let the scent linger. It signals relaxation and closure. This sensory approach works beyond waxing. Use similar rituals for skincare or evening routines. Adjust scents to match your preferences. True self-care means choosing better moments. If this video changed your routine perspective, like and subscribe. More mindful wellness content is on the way for your life.